The latest in the world of business. Kenya's national carrier, Kenya Airways, is readying itself to handle COVID-19 vaccines as the Ministry of Health and other multi-agencies prepare for their grand rollout. According to KQ head of cargo, Peter Musola, the airline has set up a pharmaceutical storage unit to handle imported cargo, specifically ready to handle vaccines. The facility is poised to enhance the airline's ability to transport and store vaccines in its cold chain facilities, not only for Kenya, but the larger Eastern Africa region. The airline is looking to boost its revenues once the shipments kick in. KTN's Kipkemboi with the details.
Airways has been readying itself to handle the transportation of vaccines as the world continues to battle the deadly coronavirus pandemic. This comes at a time the aviation sector has been massively impacted by the pandemic.
The cargo business relies on the belly hold of all these aircrafts, and having all this capacity withdrawn had a really massive impact. As at April, we were talking of minus 60% of capacity withdrawn from the system.
The silver lining now lies with the airline's newly set up cold chain facility. This, coupled up with the gradual reopening of the world economies, is proving to set the struggling airline into profit-making territory.
We've been able to pick up all these opportunities. Between April and September, we got board approval to use 4 Dreamliners as fully dedicated cargo aircraft. This was really incremental capacity which we previously did not have. The payload we obtained from one Dreamliner is about 43 tons. With passengers, it's only about 15 tons. So for each operation, we were scaling 3 times up.
And now, with the UK and Canada already vaccinating its people, KQ is eyeing this niche.
Over 2 years ago, we invested in a world-class facility here in a warehouse for handling pharmaceuticals. Yeah. And when COVID happened, it was really an opportunity for us to really optimize the use of the facility. We have the cool room, which takes care of pharma that requires 2 to 8 degrees. And then we have the freezer, which goes all the way to minus 20 degrees. A lot of the vaccines require the minus temperatures, and KQ is very well positioned to manage these products.
For now, the airline is in talks with Environtainer, manufacturers of pharmaceutical transportation container, for more sophisticated containers to cater for all vaccines that may need transportation. Kipkemboi, KTN News.
The Kenya Film Commission is rallying young and upcoming artists to seize opportunities in the film industry. Kenya's film industry has been on the